Introducing the AIMCO UET-500 Torque Tester Universal, a versatile and reliable solution for measuring torque values with utmost precision. Designed and manufactured by AIMCO URYU, this advanced torque tester combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to cater to the needs of various industries. The UET-500 boasts a wide array of features, making it suitable for diverse testing requirements. Its capabilities include adjustable auto-clear, peak, first peak, and track modes, ensuring comprehensive torque analysis. Equipped with a repeatable joint simulator, this torque tester enables accurate and consistent simulation of real-world fastening conditions, providing reliable and repeatable torque measurements. The UET-500 offers the flexibility to select it from 8 available scales, allowing users to choose the most appropriate engineering units for their specific applications. With a capacity of 50, 500, and 5,000 inch-pounds and an accuracy of 0.5%, this torque tester delivers precise and dependable results. Its digital display and auto-clear feature further enhance user convenience. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AIMCO UET-500 Torque Tester Universal. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for quality control and product development professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precise and reliable torque measurements across a wide range of applications.